happy. I actually finally have a bed, like an actual bed. And I know this is like so silly, but for the longest time, like literally I think probably ever since I bought my house, I have dreamed of just having like an absolute beautiful bedroom, like a beautiful bed, beautiful bedding, and just like have a bedroom that like looks like an adult and like grown up and sophisticated. And I've just always dreamed of like having a really like nice bed. And the crazy thing, the absolute crazy thing about this bed, it's from Walmart. It was under $250. This is a king size bed. I mean, it's not just a headboard, it's a whole bed frame. Under $250. That's crazy. So like typically a lot of the times what I do is I browse the like Walmart, well I have the app, so but it's like, you know, it's their website. I browse it because they just have like such good deals, and I've been really into just like actually buying like outfits from there. They have like really cute outfits and like clothes, which I'm typically like a Target and Amazon shopper, but I follow this girl on Instagram. I think her handle is like Looks by Lexi Wyatt or something like that. Anyways, she comes up and finds the cutest outfits from Walmart. So anyway, so that's kind of how I got on this whole Walmart kick. And so I saw this bed frame because I've been wanting a bed frame, or excuse me, I saw this like headboard, this bed, because I've been wanting a headboard for years and years. And I saw this and the price was $248 for a king size bed. I literally was like, that's not possible. Like, what's the catch? I don't understand this. I read reviews, I looked at photos, and yeah, $248 for the king size bed. That's, I don't know, like, I feel like that's crazy. I saw it the other day and I was like, so this is a Boucle, I don't know, material. I saw it and I was like, it's the perfect color. I love Boucle. I think it's so like cute. It adds texture. I love it so much. So I was like, I have to have it, you know, like that's a literal unbeatable price. And it just makes my bedroom, I don't know, like it makes my heart so happy. You guys know I really don't, like I'm not a big spender. And I like to keep things pretty simple. So I didn't really need a new bed frame, but I just really wanted to buy it. So I did. And so this is just kind of, well actually, so the start of this whole bedroom makeover, because I really do want to give our entire bedroom like an absolute beautiful makeover. The start of that was when we installed these Roman shades up here, because before we had those like builder grade, really cheap plastic, very thin blinds. And so they were just, so I got these Roman shades from Amazon. We had them customized because it's kind of a weird shaped or weird size window. So we were able to do that. So that was the start of it. And then after that, I was like, okay, I really want to have like some sort of an accent wall. So we did paint this. Now I painted this, I don't know, it's been, I don't even know when that was, but I think it was earlier this year. I want to say the beginning of this year. So it's been almost a year. To be honest, it's this like navy blue. I really don't love it, you guys. I've tried and I've tried and I've tried to love it, but it's like, it's giving like little baby boy room nursery. Like that's what I see when I look at this wall. Like I actually really don't like the color. So I've been trying to decide like what color would I really like maybe kind of like a I don't even know, like I don't want to say hunter green, but like kind of like a florally green would be really pretty, like we did on our accent wall downstairs. Or maybe even like a taupe mocha, some sort of like brownish beigeish, but like a deeper beige color, so there's like a nice contrast. I think that would be really pretty. I don't know, so just kind of sharing my thoughts with you guys. And then obviously my bedding isn't great, and my hope one day is to be able to get like a huge area rug for under this bed, and then like really pretty bedding. Obviously right now we just have like our comforter, and I just have this like cute little throw blanket, and then we just have our like usual pillows. But like I said, this is just kind of the start of giving my bedroom a makeover. It's really funny because I keep a list of all of the house projects that I either want to do or have done on my phone. Like I have a note in my notes app of everything that we've done, and since 2021 I've had in there like a bedroom makeover, and so I'm just happy that this is like the start of it, you know, with the wall, the window treatments, now the headboard, the new bed. It's just like, it's so exciting because I'm like, oh, it's like finally like my vision of what I want my bedroom to look and feel like is like starting to come to fruition, I suppose. So I don't know, I just like, I love this bed. I think it's so cute. It really like lightens it up in here. Obviously we have light carpets and the rest of the walls are light, but it's just like a nice contrast against the dark wall. So that's why I do, whenever I decide to repaint the wall, it's a nice contrast to that, because I do want to keep like a bit of a darker color, maybe not something so dark, but a bit of a darker color. And I love it. I think it matches really nicely with the window treatments up there. And then I want to, like I said, eventually get some new bedding. So if you have any recommendations on what color bedding I should do, let me know. But I think I need to first figure out the color of the wall and get that done. So anyways, I don't know, this bed is perfect. I had to share it with you guys because it's like, I'm just so excited about it, because it's like, you know, one of my dreams for my room is like finally kind of coming together. Okay, so here it is again. I just want to show you guys because I'm just like, I love it so much. It just makes our room look, I don't know, just like sophisticated and grown up. I don't know what it is. I love it so much. And like I said, I've been wanting a new bed for years, but like, look at how pretty this is. It's like this really, I mean, I don't know, it's boucle. It's just like soft, and I don't know, it's so nice. I love it. But like I said, I want to get new bedding, whether it's just like layers or something. Obviously, I need to get some like different cute pillows, like maybe some throw pillows or something, and then maybe a couple of other throw blankets. Like I just want it to look like nice and like grown up, and I don't know. So I love it. And then over here with the mirror, like I said, if you watched I think it was like my last video, we moved this mirror over here, and it just makes me so happy because I'm like, oh, there's our beautiful bed. I just love it so much. One more thing that I forgot to mention about the bed is that I will have it linked below. Again, it's from Walmart, $248. I believe it was free shipping. It got to me in like 2 days, which was crazy. Again, I will have it linked below. I do earn a small commission because I am partnered with Walmart. Okay, it is the next day, I want to say. No, it's been 2 days, I think, since I put together the bed, and I was just editing the footage, and I was like, oh, if only that really only took me, you know, under a minute to put that bed together. Actually, I will say it was easy. Like I did it myself. I could do it. If my husband would have been here, if I would have waited for him to help, it would have gotten done in under an hour. But if you're looking to get that bed, I mean, you can put it together yourself. It was easy. If I can do it, you can do it for sure. I just got done making some homemade English muffins with my sourdough discard. If you guys want or are interested in me sharing any like sourdough, either bread recipes or any discard recipes if you're interested, because I just made these from scratch. And they're amazing. My girls and my whole family, we love them. Let me know if you would like to see those types of videos. The English muffins are so good. We do like breakfast sandwiches. We make like our own like bacon, egg, and cheese, or sausage, egg, and cheese, like sausage, like egg McMuffins. My girls like to just like snack on them. They're good with like peanut butter, jelly. Anyway, so just wanted to share that. And then I have them in my cute little cake plate that I've showed you guys that I got specifically for my sourdough recipes and things like that. So anyways, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Give this video a thumbs up. And I know today it was a very quick video, but I just wanted to share a little bit of the new update that we had. And then also, this is the like viral Walmart pajama little cute Christmas set. It says Merry, sorry, I'm not wearing it right now. And then this cardigan is from Walmart as well, so I will link those below. And I think I'll probably link my storefront, my Walmart storefront. Did I say everything was from Walmart? From Walmart, not Amazon. Anyways, okay, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.